Hello everybody and welcome to this 3D modeling tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can design vessels in Shapr3D. I will start this lecture by giving you a good understanding about the fundamental 3D modeling tools we have: Extrude, Revolve, and Loft. I will show you specific use cases how you could use Extrude or Loft or Revolve to design specific shapes. And then we apply everything that we have learned to design this water bottle you see here, in which I'm also going to cover 3D modeling strategies, how we can mix different tools, how we can work with the history to make you more productive during the prototyping of this water bottle design. And with all that said, let's do it.